The polishing machine for tails model XMJ1250 that designed by Shengda Company for full automatic polishing of granite tails. It can offer continuous roof grinding, fine polishing and shining polishing. Machine has high efficient automatic program, easy operation system. They offer 4-line with tilting loading table, fielding table, trimming cutter line, and other optional machine equipment. Make stone factory reduce manual work, reduce the production costs, and improve efficiency on granite polishing. The main body of the machine is complete welding with stainless steel and figure iron. Cross bridge and table belt moving are used mobile inverter tech. Each head of machine moves up and down by independent air cylinder, can be automatically working according to the different shape of the slab to improve the polishing effect of the edge. The machine uses PLC control system, LCD touch display terminal as interface to do the parameter setting, adjustment, and operation. It can detect shapes of granite tails, bridge moving, position of polishing head and other signals. Automatic controls the polishing heads up and down, polishing the different shape of granite slabs, and make the belt moving speed well, collaborating with bridge moving to achieve the best polishing results. Shengda Company have this series automatic polishing machine from 6 heads to 24 heads, to precision width from 300mm to 1250mm. Can also do special order according to customers' special requirements. Before using the automatic polishing machine model XMJ1250 series, the user must complete the foundation first. Make sure the power supply, air pressure, water, and necessary tools were ready for install. Left the machine in place with strict finished as the foundation drawing Shengda provided. In using the device, the user must be self-equipped with refrigerated air drying machine and air compressors. Next, let's get to know some of the machine's structure and operation system. It is very important machine working and maintenance. XMJ1250 series is mainly assembling with main body, bridge beam, grinding head, air pressure system, and electro control system. The main body of machine has strong transfer system with belt. The transfer system is running by a motor reducer running with the main axle of table, so as to make the belt uniform rolling on table. The speed can be adjusted. Bridge moving that drives the grinding heads to polishing, which can carry out frequency control by inverter. This is a limit switch of bridge movement. The two sides of rail on the left and right side of the body support the bridge. The bottom of rail installs high strings wear resistant steel and rolls of rolling stick. Belt working drive device. The part needs to remain lubricated. Belt drive wheel bearings need to always maintain lubricated. We will introduce the detail of related lubrication maintenance in the following part of routine maintenance. It is a limit which that controls the distance between bores when continuous polishing. This is the limit switch for detecting shape of the plate. Grinding head is a direct part polishing the plate by the motor through the power transmission belt to the spindle, so as to drive the grinding head rotating. Grinding head achieve left through the cylinder. Pneumatic part controls the grinding heads up and down by the gas source through triplet and reversing valve, and adjust each grinding head through the pressure regulator valve. Pressure gauge are displayed for each grinding head pressure. This is a pneumatic reversing valve, which controls the grinding heads up and down and adjusts the speed. This is both for adjusting the reading speed of grinding head, and this is both for adjusting the falling speed of grinding head. Clockwise to speed up, counterclockwise to slow down. This is the grinding head cooling water valve, which controls the volume of cooling water. Control section also includes the concentration adjuster cabinets, control panel, touch tab operation terminal, and the corresponding manual operation panel of each grinding head. Operation terminal according to the different production requirements. The plate can be left in and right out, or right in and left out. Operate method is the same. Concentration electrical cabinet has a system with master control, power switch, air switch, and other components inside. Mainly adopts Japanese Omron, Fuji, French Schneider, SKF, AirTech, and other international brand. Human operating system and rational distribution of the new control panel. The machine shows its good points, simple, double, and so on. Bridge backward button in manual mode. It controls the bridge to backward. Bridge forward button in manual mode. It controls the bridge to forward. Knob of control speed for bridge movement. Clockwise rotation to speed up the bridge. Counterclockwise rotation lowers the bridge speed. This is operating control switch of feeding table. When the switch is in the left position, feeding table is in manual state that continues operating. The right position is for automatic state and the middle to stop state. Run switch conveyor belt in manual mode. Rotate to the right. The conveyor belt will operate continuously. Speed control knob of conveyor belt running. Clockwise rotation. Speed up the conveyor belt running. Counterclockwise rotation. Reduce the belt speed. Automatic run start button. Only under the automatic mode, press the button, can the machine enter the automatic operation. Select button of machine to run automatically or manually. Alarm reset button. Start switch of clean plate. Machine emergency stop switch. Press it in an emergency situation. The machine will stop running. Clockwise rotation connected to the control of circuit power. This is the touch operating the terminal, which is commonly referred to as Man-Machine Interface (PLC) system. Through the terminal, the operator direct inputs various processing parameters and understands the running condition of the machine at the same time. It is a what you see is what you get way to achieve the machine parameter settings and display. The terminal can also directly display the operational status of the machine and the test results of the components. The failure list dialog box on the main touch screen will display interface of automatic diagnose on the touch screen terminal. When the machine fails, the touch operating terminal will automatically pop up and display the associated self-diagnose fault tips. This is a screen prompts when failure of the count encoder of belt and count encoder of bridge. In this case, we should first check whether the encoder cable is normal or not, and then check whether the connection is properly connected or not. This is a screen prompts of the front ultimate failure of cross pillars. Firstly, check whether trip switch and the wires of the front pole position are normal. This is a screen prompt of the back ultimate failure of the cross pillars. Firstly, check whether trip switch and the wires of the back pole position are normal. This is a screen prompt of front and back ultimate failure of cross failure. That's because front and back trip switch were connected at the same time. Please check whether the trip switch and wire of front and back pole position are normal. This is a screen prompt of failure of zero switch in the center of cross beam. Firstly, check whether the proximity switch and wire in the center of cross failure are okay. No detectable signal means the failure did happen. This is a fault indication of cross position, ultimate move of cross failure. Firstly, check whether the cross position trip switch and wire of cross failure are okay. This is a fault prompt of frequency inverter of belt and cross failure. Please judge the fault by checking its fault code prompts. This is a fault prompt of air pressure. PLC terminal prompts the fault while the air pressure relay alarms and provides signal of stopping automatic run when the system pressure is below 4 kilograms. Self-diagnostic fault prompt is used for troubleshooting and cleaning of fault quickly and accurately during the process of using the machine. After cleaning of fault, please touch the reset dialog box or the reset button on the panel to restart. Besides, the terminal operation could prompt and clear memory of belt data area and control the operation of starting and stopping when it's run automatically. This is the manual operation panel corresponding with each polishing head. There is a motor start-stop switch on the panel, and operating this switch to turn on and turn off the motor of polishing head when it's in manual position. Operate choice switch to rise and fall manually to rise and fall the polishing head. When whole machine is under automatic position, this knob should be turned to left. Then the corresponding polishing head will work automatically. It's under manual position to control the rise and fall of polishing head. When this choice switch is in the middle position, polishing head rises and it falls when choice switch is in the right position. When whole machine is under automatic position, turn the switch to left. Polishing head will rise and fall automatically. After we introduce the structure and operation system of this machine simply, let us intuitively know the process of continuous polishing by actual operating procedure. Make sure all parts of the machine is okay before starting up machine. Open the electric box and check the 3-phase power line. Close by order of air switch of every branch rod, and finally close control circuit air switch. Close the general power air switch. Reposition the emergency button on the panel to power the control circuit. Adjust the suitable build fit according to the request of slate quality, lightness of polished slate. Choose the fit abrasive and adjust the suitable pressure according to different slate. Start operation after checking around and assuring personal security. After the system power is on, touch terminal will display an initial screen which prompts the operator should operate machine after reading instruction. Touch the operation instruction dialog box on the left of screen and read the details. Then touch the initial screen dialog box to get back to initial screen. There are machine running parameter, position and assemblage of main fields that switch to other screens. Input precision parameter displayed on main screen. Put the unpolished slate on the roller by plate overturn machine. Advance the slate. Control the space between slits by space control trip switch in case that any polishing head or slit being broken. The slit sensor switch will sense the shape of coming unpolished slit, and after slits arrive each polishing area, the PLC will control the rise and fall of every polishing head automatically. The slit is under pre-polish. The slit is under rough polish. The slit is under finish polish and burnishment procedure. The washing plate is washing the surface of passing polished slit. The air-dried machine is drying the surface of slit. After that, the polishing of slit is done. Shutdown machine in order after using it. Push the emergency button to cut down the circuit power if the touch terminal shut down automatically, or the choice button on the panel is on the manual position when it shut down. Close the general power air switch of the electric box to cut off all the power. The XMJ1250 Type Series polishing machine uses newest diamond polishing plate with 8-inch diameter, resin grinding plate and burnishing disc. It's with energy conservation, low cost, high efficiency, and achieve a good gloss mirror effect. Diamond polishing disc is made by sintering high quality diamond and metal powder. Resin polishing disc is stuck by high quality resin metal and diamond. Both are the necessary expandable for processing and polishing the surface of slit. It is important for polishing effect to choose and use a suitable polishing disc. When polishing granite, the ordering of polishing disc and processing parameter should be adjusted reasonably to play the function of machine best and reach the request of best quality. Let's take a look at polishing granite by example of polishing with 16 polishing heads. In the process,